Welcome to ISL Enabled Virtual Lab of CSIR.
One way to minimize the carbon footprint from the atmosphere is to control vehicle emissions. The vehicle emits harmful pollutants through its tailpipes, such as particulates, soot, volatile organic compounds, hydrocarbons, carbon monoxide, ozone, lead, and various oxides of nitrogen. To minimize this, electrification of the vehicle will be a great initiative. Presently, many innovation and development works are carried out in the field of passenger vehicles. As India is an agricultural country, the use of tractors in India is also comparatively high, and its demands are also increasing year by year. CSIR CMERI, an engineering research institute in India, is taking innovation to the next level by developing a solar energy-based ecosystem. It runs electric tractors where the power of the solar tree charges the battery mounted near the solar tree, and the power to the tractor is supplied through a wire. This helps to reduce pollution as well as the running cost. Also, solar tree energy can be utilized for other purposes such as irrigation, lighting, etc. An electric tractor is designed, and a prototype has been developed for small and marginal income farmers. These farmers cannot afford the large tractors due to their higher costs. Therefore, the electric tractor is designed with low cost and better efficiency. Currently, the basic parameter testing is in progress for the A tractor. The prototype was tested for around 50 hours in the field, and feedback was collected. Meanwhile, the CSIR asked to demonstrate the prototype demonstrated successfully on the National Panchayati Raj Divas at Jammu dated the 24th of April 2022 in the presence of the Honorable Prime Minister of India. Also, the prototype was well appreciated by Honorable Minister of Science and Technology Dr. Jitendra Singh, CSIR Director General and other respected dignitaries presented over there. They suggested improving the technology with industry participation as an Atmanirbhar Bharat mission. Accordingly, CSIR approved the project in fast-track development mode.